Friday we shall for a summer or cover from Kokra by a York morning show. So daily analysis na do so I was say ye pension simbi I want ye na afi so wani enso empaso na ye hwe nyoma no emu nhwehwemu na epe ne puma sibre ende ye din komo afa amanyosem Ghana amanyosem na ye beko aye amanyuko MPP na yakohwe nsem a ebu afi wonom aba ye de won national delegate conference a course so a year Indra any Indrachi na chese utimu se mura pa ena nkrofo yi ede ko gina ye Accra Sports Stadium na enye asem ketwa before bebre na NP mu ewo ye delegate conference no emu dodo na ene ko gina ye say ento won so aba ebinum ehwere won akonya ebinum so etimi gina brane ema wodi nkunim ewo won chese biaya na wo anase positions aworo na wo no ebinum san edi nkunim efa won positions bi we ebinum de Fufi Antoata almost almost from Sita. Even so, first time almost Moba a year in Penny Nima Enya Ansem Kitu Andra, running Rechi, Noma Bibrina, and a course so our Accra Sports Stadium, NPP Amanu Kuno, a one national delegate conference a course. Now, before I would be a team P. a Ghana Mampin, another than quite a Kufu Abdo. After so MPP and P. Fubi Brina to say John Boyd do no money idea. Artists who copy mu ewo horoma wotimi den ekoto abani bi afei so honorable minister finance minister oforiata eso copy mu honom nsema ayomanfo no kaka afa ne ho say on resigning as the finance minister no ndra or the anodi sem so etudwa won ano nsem bebre na na ekoso honom nemu be say and there memam except of what went on a year the 18th and then the 17th of a year this month a year running Rechi na fe de won nyoma ekoso a year running Rechi ni ehwe nyoma ekoso ewo a year Accra Sports Stadium ye hwe a year omampani na dodanko ekufu ado nensema odi tudwa na ochechi mu se amanyuko bi ni Ghana ha mu ase a watimi ejina aye nyoma NPP amanyuko no waye na chese obo won amba so ekire won se won bo wodi ase wetimi akura won mudie mu na amaganafo etimenya won mugide panti won bo wodi ase wetimi aye sa nyoma no na etimi ama NPP amanyuko no etimi akwali bia ye hwe de Ghana mampin na nado danko ekufu ado odi tudwa.
And we're here to complete the process of internal elections of our party. The final lap in electing party officials. We began with electing polling station executives to 38,000 plus polling stations, 5-member executives. We elected 6,260 electoral area coordinators. We've elected 4,658 constituency executives and 160 regional elections. All levels of our party have been involved in these internal elections, and today we are crowning it with the national elections. No political party in Ghana has displayed the organizational skill and capacity that we in the MPP have done. And God bless the new patriotic party. And it is these concerns for the welfare of ordinary people that will guide the party in the negotiations that we're about to have with the International Monetary Fund. Our responsibility is to confront the difficulties that are confronting our people and find an effective solution to it. And that's exactly what we are going to do. We came to office under an IMF program, a derailed IMF program, which we inherited from the Mahama administration. We worked hard to exit the country from the program, and we were in the process of building a strong economy until the events of COVID and its consequences. I want to assure you and assure the people of Ghana that we're going to negotiate a good deal with the IMF, a deal that will allow us to revive our economy and to continue the task of building an even stronger economy than we had before. And we'll be in a position not only to implement and negotiate, but implement a good arrangement. Our party, we have a tradition of taking Ghana out of difficulties. We took Ghana out of HIPIC in President Kufuor's time. We took Ghana out of the derailed IMF program of 2015. Our party was the one that made it possible for us to survive the COVID pandemic.
Iti Ghana man na dada kwa Kufuor ena yetine nka o kire se amanyuko MPP wetimi abɔ wo homɔden pa isanse wa bɔ mɔden ama wona wo party ni mu bia etimi ne ho akɔ eye abatoa ɛkɔso ɛwɔ eye amanyuko no mo hyase efiri inketua mu kra ede akɔpie mpanyimfo afeiso de etosumi no wa kyerɛkyerɛ eye nisemu afa IMF ne ho emse ba yi nyina no ye hyeda entine nka emfa ho na nra na o hye Ghana fo ye nyina ebo se obebo mode ase one na manyoko ne na pamfo wo aban mu no obetimi aboa ama Ghana ye ne IMF ye ntiase pama ye kwakosensan no ase no ye betimi enya nyomo pa e de afim na wonko ye kotobekum ma bia nti obebo mode ase de obeye bia no ebeboa oman no ehonsem ne yenhwe se besa na betimi akwa na ase ye bebɔ mpae e de ata omampani achi na IMF we omankotwitwa eye ye nyuma hodo bia ye hwe se betimi aboa ye te se ye free SHS ne ade no ye mbɔ mpae ntai ye mpanyimfo achi na ye nyankopon ema wɔ na adwenpa betimi de ayesa dwumadi ama bibia so etimi akɔda nim se de nyina ye hwehwɛ na ndra se ne na me hyase na me kanu dodo na ena wolusu wona ba on positions any binimo so etimi again back one positions binimo so chese wotimu se be bia na wonam de na enye kra binimo so etimi epa binimo with a large margin wotimu se ebi obi onoma onam 1000 no na obi nam 9 no obi support ewo onoma nam 100 na chese nipa odi kan no na chese obi obi na chese o manfo ni nyina na se MPP amanyuko no eta sa nipa no echina emududo na de wolusu on seat ebi say ye John Bwedu general secretary former this year rekasi or former general secretary olusiye ena ye Justin Kodua Frimpong ena otimi ebegina ye say ye general secretary Emma MPP no edi nkunim Emma amanyoko no nandra ordinary asem na no di say etudwa say ono wabenya beye eye general secretary ama amanyoko MPP no obeboa ama amanyoko no etimi edi nkunim eye afi 2024 chese one day so our 20 days say breaking the 8 no obebo modi assess breaking the 8 no ebetimi atumi abam na saa da yeso no ebetimi abam a o say ni nyina ne say ye nyina no anase amanyoko MPP mamenka ni amanyoko MPP for ebetimi anya inkabomu na saa inkabomu no ene ebetimi ama wa breaking a year the 8 no in 2024 me pese yiti wona no disem ne dey ma except of what happened in a year Accra Sports Stadium Indra any Indrechi we him say yantima ma live coverage yiti e was say ye dey sa a year except ni nyina eso e dey ma na so hunnioma e course.
And again, we also want to thank the media for the wonderful work that you've done. You stay with us throughout the beginning to the end. At the end of the day, it is the New Patriotic Party which has won, not any single individual. Our biggest quest is in the 2024 elections for us to come together as one party and to fight the battle ahead of us. And it is the duty of all of us, particularly those that have won, to bring our brothers and sisters who couldn't make it. In 2024 elections, we need every hands on deck. And I can assure you, with the team that we have, everyone is going to have a role to play. And the message to the NDC is that they should watch out, because the MPP is breaking the 8, and the MPP it will be the first political party to go on the 10th term since 1992. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Mr. Justin Kodia Frepong and Etienne in Kano and Dra was a shock because Papa wa pray Kunyano Ache say Obebabe General Secretary no idea the die swan or pese or ye na and for a binum one say John Webu yetimi no efri na Kunya so Emma Papa ye betina so and say enye asem ketua wo hwe comments na eba ewo ye in social media handles no so write the stories we know editor one ma utim say dodo na ena chese ye one pa say watimi ayi Papa yi efri wona ye Justin Kodia etinya befa akonya no na utim say ensem bia ye owura onimunyamfo Kennedy Japan okan ye no em say ni nyina ya bam because o can say afi no mo hwe ni so wetimi asese ni badodo na awowo impinfo no mu ewo amaduku MPP mu na minim say inkomse no o share dia ne mo ni nyina dodo na wetimi elusi on seat ene binom so foforo na bobam em say national organizer and ono de or daso ewo na na bi omunu ene kakra bi a wonso na wo honom no ena wo daso ewo mu a enye asem keto ba my enti the biggest win ewo NPP mu the national chairman no chairman a ohwa amaduko ni nyina no eso ono Steven ayesu intim era otimi edi kunima chese na enye asanketo ma enti na no bisem yewia na ya fedi yakodi nkomo afa Ghana yezika sem ho na oye owura Ken Oforiata wakasa ebeba behwe ne kasa mu ne afedi ya pensem nsem mu na afedi ya toa nkomodie ni so.
To recap, Kofi Kapito, my former campaign manager, Ms. Pani Patrick Masupe Crab, who is not with us here today. Ronnie Nickel, Desmond, Ni Abe, Ni Boy Abe, Dan Opoko Ajiman, Prof. Mr. Hackman. I also want to mention Madam Amabuzia. Thanks to all these individuals for providing me immense advice, direction in the course of my campaign. The new national executive will work assiduously for the party to win election 2024. In conjunction with our parliamentary party, as our members of parliament, and our diasporan party, our members in the foreign countries. I'm grateful to my supporters and the party at large for giving me a memorable 64th birthday present. Finally, it's been 20 long years of wandering in the wilderness before clinching this position as national chairman of the New Patriotic Party. And I assure you that after 20 years of laboring in the wilderness before getting to this far, I'm going to cherish the chairmanship position. I'll value the chairmanship position, and I'll make sure that it will be a unique position that will remain enviable for anybody in the party to aspire at. God bless the New Patriotic Party. God bless Ghana. Thank you.
Obin ekasa na isu asa nenso yerade ne kase mu no kanse bebre wutimi se ni kunim dia onyaye no eno ene birthday ehia chese papa wo ni gem pa na me pe last part na okan se obebo modern se obeso eye position na yede amani mu na afi enya emudi na emudi na okan no wutimi se ebi mu abeso ebi mu kura positions ahodo no ma ase omu hunu se eso won faso ne ade a ono de o se eye chairman na wanya no obebo mo de ase obetimi kura mama aye ubia nwa na face obia so aprese obetimi abeye eye chairman e wo amanyukuri mu we eye na no bi se ma che se opin kese pa oda eye NPP amanyukuru no ano ede etudwa but yenhwe table of eye one winning eye new elected executives no it is produced by my able production team just say omatimi enya a table of one with me winning ye no mpacho mo fanto so ma me na ye hwe nioma course so ye ndrane ndrachi nti wo hwa new elected we NPP national chairman aspirant results no ene da so no afi so enkaifo no so ene wase hono no wona wai elect omofoforo no wondin ene bibia so ene wo hono Steven Ayesu team se ne kan no ono ene ye chairman and as a chairperson first vice chairperson no so ena e wo haron dankwa so e wo hanon say afi so general secretary no Justin ye Kodua and afi so national organizer ye nana buache eso e wo hono mu national treasurer no eso it say one wo ye na bakwa na ono so hwe dim so benya eno ampas wetimi enya nasara coordinator no utim say ne Japan dra wo hwe Accra Sports Stadium nkofo bi na eni age no na dodo na so ete wono ma che say waye basa sitting in soccer na wo dwinsi aka wonya ne sa nenso MSC am eni bi eba ye na manyo se mu yemfa sika enkodada obi yemfa eye meye akwan ama ne sa anyama ni nyina endada obi se wo ba eye oba weni mu a amanuku ni ma na se wo ba ebedi adidi na bo ndi ase betimi aye wadwuma na fe wa bembe wo manfo no na eno ele betimi ama watimi atena konwa no so ache bepese fast forward ye kohwe eye honorable Oforiata na ye ne no edi enkomo efa ne ma bi ho ye hwe ye be kwakutie ne nkomodie ni mu na ya hwe comments a Ghana for ye kan ye anase binum especially with the National Democratic Congress NDC wona manyuku na wo hwe se anka nioma asi e wo man Ghana mu a ama Ghana yetimi akọ IMF no anka enunti no yegina sa asem no so na yenyi honorable Oforiata yenyi ni free the position as the finance minister but yembisa ye ho say yeyi ni free honoma eno na be solution to Ghana problem ana say yeyi ni free honoma hwan kwapo ne yede ne ba nipa na yede ne ba no how competent is that person how what is the person's credibility ni ade nyina yembisa as questions no but ye kasi on free aban mu ana ofi mu so ebeboa ma oman no atimi akoso ana ni nyina no so ye nkomodi ana free last week be see this week no o man phone bebre na edi na questions ahodo a eba ho no eno na me bisa ede atudwa na wo so wetimi de wanu yi ede abafafa Facebook HYTVGH after YouTube no HYTVGH ansa ebe ko hono no kai se ha Yoga State ena soma sna me de ofam we nyina ede somo ha Yoga State se me kan che se e ba no sase ane bo fodi a wona ka che ena benya bi ha Yoga State en sase no kamia wo so nsu wo so bibia wo so a ya che se ya demarcate asasina ma ye ni babia e kwan da ye ni babia nsuo be fa ye ni babia bibia wo ntino wo ba che se nya afi na wo ba be pre na odi obi aje wasase a sani mani nyina no aban aloya fo asesan krata ma bibia so e da ye bomani ase odi wisika na be ba 500,000 1,500 2000 any adi na oba ebetimi ama obi na afede kai na watua ne kakra ni nyina ya hande okay stick 05400243708485 0243708485 na won atwetwe nkomo ma yetie eye owura Ken Oforiata na no di sema odi atudwa edi afa eye consensus and for resist and resigning ne sema o kan na o kire mu se akoye te se de wo ne oba wo ho anase papa bi ene ne mba ho na wo ka se papa no enjai ne mba no efi o nti ono no oye ye nyina ye ja Ghana fo nyina ye papa ba ko pa ye ntimi ensa ne ho embopo nti ye ka se onjai ye ho no de anache se ase ye pamo na efi ebusuenu ye nti na no dizim.
Why? I think that there are issues of the governance of a country, and these are always important. And I think if you see the way in which we have moderated the advertisement billboards, it shows to a party that is sensitive to the current moments of the situation. But I don't think you can ever let the issue of governance go. Democracy is important. It does cost some amount of money to do that. But clearly you can see an environment that is excited about the future by being able to run a congress or conference of this nature in a way that mimics the situation in the world.
You also say resign. Will you resign because of going to the IMF when you said you were not going to the IMF?
That's not a very good question. You know, it's almost like telling a father to resign from his children because he's changed his mind. You know, there are times that decisions have to be made for the survival of a country, and therefore if circumstances such as COVID or Ukraine war occur, which are not typical, it does change the environment, and sensible people will change their mind.
Okasafa the critical moment Ghana yetimi edum one one ka say IMF or say drew baby or say making that decision for the survival of the country, because Ghana ultimusa na yewu anesa nti ne unim se samri muso enda from obi won kra ye ka say ne mbagu fi a omunko school ni nyina so disika ne ade nti no say yankwa IMF dia ene asem ena asi nkomodi no adoso pa ndra owura Kennedy Japan so comment on this same issue and all say finance minister ye ka say yin no edi no ono no e ma background story say yen share time or beje ahini no anase obefa position as finance minister ye hwe ne records what make you ODF IMF mu in 2015-2016 or OEF honoma anase 2016-2017 OEF honoma afi oma omo share na Ghana one of the growing economy you know in Africa ne ade yen hwe sanyema no na ya kan asem yi a o cheche mu se anka enye COVID ene Ukraine war na anka na ohwe a ono no papa no na obo ne homodin ane santino sankomodie no ye di a ye di ye na ye hwe nipa no na hyase ansa na ya beka na wie ye inse but ye Ghana de the ACCC no ene ye hwe enye de atwam nti wo hwa Ghana fo bebre na nsema wo kan no aban no anase finance minister banse no de ekura IMF ni nyina no enkomra no so ye sign so bo no bebo papa na sanse na numu nsema o kan ye se on ma Ghana enko IMF ena afei so deputy minister ono so nsema o kan ye o parliament se omonte se wona yenuanum bia yembomudin amanyuko ahodo ni bia wode ekọ IMF ni ntino won so wo bebo modi an se won fa yenkọ IMF no wonanum nsem nti da amagana fo wo keka se yenyi won efri aban mu ene ade nemu yenhwe sansem mo nyina no ni nyina se betimi asi a gise 2024 Ghana for ede won kokromoti ekọ box no ekọ decide yenhwe se betimi asi ama amanyuko MPP akwanya ni biem se wombra 2024 anasa yebeyi won asi form na yede amanyuko foforo ebia CPP MPP chese amanyuko ahodo no bi anase NDC for na besia befa abemu na ebinom ekasa ede afa ho ni nyina so ndra na journalists for an assistant draw for ni bisa questions ni bi about Baumia ene Alan Trematin say wo mienu no why na ye hwe ni say once one elections na say once what dey no eba so why na ebe ye den ebe di nkunim dodo na wo di nkomo no e kire say sisi a no emu akoye din isan say apart from wo mienu na ye Ora Alan Trematin ene Dr. Muhammad Baumia no nipa ba kwa wabeka won ho ama okunu ayedin pa omunyamfo Kennedy Japan na wohwe ono nsema a wo keka afa ho na kire se Kennedy Japan ne race na one nipa mienu we eba bebom no nkai fo ne de ye nka mo nkan ho sia ye nemu ye hwe nipa miensa we no nkofo bebre na edi komo se bema votes no asa ye hu ba bi e befa na esanse wohwe de ekoso amanyokuru mu a won komodi ensani bi wo want me yeden enyimpie na so ebe ha won kakra esanse papa no so ekura dom owura Kennedy Japan na Kennedy Japan achichi mu se ye Dr. Muhammad Baumia ontimi emma won breaking the 8 and ontimi ma won win election 2024 ni nyina ne se wohwe se ne amai no nipa wadi eni mama yakọ IMF ni ade na wo hwe economy ni so na anda ono ne watch no yetimi akọ IMF na yentimi Ghana for entimi nsan nyagide woni munti no ono na obi a osefata isanse wona wo kasa nyina no wo aban mu a wona na wodi o man nanim ono ne de onkasa iti no se ono ye nipa foforo a eno be ma Ghana for nyagide wo ye owura Kennedy Japan enim anase ni mu ama watimi ato aba no de ama no nsem no edoso ba ye hwe se ye analysis we ye hwe se owura Kennedy Japan against Mahama Dr. Muhammad Baumia against Mahama and afik so Alan Trematin against Mahama one kasan fa comments no efa Facebook and YouTube ni hwe se enkofo mi nsa we omumu hwan e no mo ne Dr. omone former president John Dramani Mahama ejina wo betimi edi nkunimama amanyoku NPP anase omu hwan ena ogina obedi nkukuo ode ayafa eto Facebook wonom emrepem no yebedi enkonwa busia echi bia na mede dwedie no AC ha ne okay state 7 kanche wo se eba no sase ane bo F4 dia wona kache ene wo nsase no akwan no de eche se yeyi atumu afesu ba bia nsu be fa ne ade nyina no oba ha ne okay state ye nsase ne so no ye de sanyoma ne nyina agu akwan mu wona wo yeso be yes ne ade nyina abehwa ma bibia so etimi eto ye woton PK wo de baba adwuma bia wo bia no sika no nsu asa wo de beto asase de okura bia bra ha ne okay state se susu kwa na ba ya yebetimi abo ama waye na also wetimi enya wasase na also wetimi ede abobra han yoke state say from and also WhatsApp 112 for you 0243708485 0243708485 meeting at the Okamafo Clement production team no omodo so pa na ohwe MCR honoma na chese ura Benedict Asante ewo honum afi so Kwame tablets so ewo MCR honum afi so pious eso ehye honum chese wonyina no wo miense ni na ebo adwuma ama in the show no etimi akoso okọ reception honum nipa dodo na ene wo honum wonyina no wo bo adwuma ama bibia so etimi atoye ne so edine do so me refi bibi no di timi embobo ni nyina ende dem good morning to everybody at all train ye ewo fie na afi so mo ambo ye chiro mo ni nyina no nyankopon isha bidin e de Okamafo Clement me de dwumadi no esia no na ochana no pa no enkomotwetwe ya ye ka ho asem nyina no ye ni pefo be si nkonwa ewo dem ha na afi ye enkomotwetwe no ye de nyina ade abesom wo ma me hana yok executive producer nyame sharpa ansa otimi ebo ye chiro ma bibia so ekoye na afi so mi ankasa me papa ba ko pastor Samuel Sakode ono so ebo ye chidom afi production team ni nyina no nyame shira mo se ende mutimi ebo ai ma dwumadi ne ekoso wa wo hwe ye wa the comments ba ye ne ade nyina no nyame shira mo bidin Okamafo Clement yok morning show ni yakra bye bye.